the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Today we are going to learn about simultaneous linear equations. Methods of solving simultaneous linear equations. Number 1, elimination by substitution. Number 2, elimination by equating coefficients. Number 3, cross multiplication. So first let's go into elimination by substitution method. Example number 1. 8x plus 5y equal to 9. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. Solving equation 1. 8x plus 5y equal to 9. That implies y equal to 9 minus 8x by 5. Substituting y value in equation 2. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. That implies 3x plus 2y into 9 minus 8x equal to 4 by 5. That implies 15x plus 18 minus 16x by 5 equal to 4. That implies minus 1x plus 18 by 5 equal to 4. That implies minus 1x plus 18 equal to 4 into 5. That implies minus 1x plus 18 equal to 20. That implies minus 1x equal to 20 minus 18. That implies minus 1x equal to 2. That implies x equal to 2 by minus 1. 2 get cancelled in one table by number 2. That implies x equal to minus 2. Substituting x value in y value. Y equal to 9 minus 8x by 5 equal to 9 minus 8 into minus 2 by 5 equal to 9 plus 16 by 5 equal to 25 by 5, and 25 gets cancelled in 5 table with number 5. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5. Example 2. 2x plus 3y equal to 8. 2x minus 3y equal to 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. Solving equation 1. 2x plus 3y equal to 8. That implies y equal to 8 minus 2x by 3. Solving y value in equation 2. 2x minus 3y equal to 2. That implies 2x minus 3. 8 minus into 8 minus 2x by 3 equal to 2. That implies 2x minus 24 plus 6x equal to 2. Minus 24 plus 6x by 3 equal to 2. By taking LCM, it gets 6x minus 24 plus 6x by 3 equal to 2. That implies 12x minus 24 equal to 2 by 3. That implies 12x minus 24 equal to 2 into 3. That implies 12x minus 24 equal to 6. That implies 12x equal to 6 plus 24 equal to 30. That implies 12x equal to 30. That implies x equal to 30 by 12. That implies x equal to 2.5. Now substituting x value in y value. Y equal to 8 minus 2x by 3. That implies y equal to 8 minus 2 into 2.5 by 3. That implies y equal to 8 minus 5 by 3. That implies y equal to 3 by 3, that implies y equal to 3. That implies y equal to 1. So therefore y equal to 1 and x equal to 2.5. Let's go into method of elimination by equating coefficients. Example 1. 13 plus 2y equal to 9x. 3y equal to 7x. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. 13 plus 2y equal to 9x into whole into 3. 3y equal to 7x into whole into 2. 39 plus 6y equal to 27x. 6y equal to 14x, and it gets minus and it gets cancelled, plus 6y minus 6y, and 39 equal to 27 minus 14x equal to 13. So 39 equal to 13x and x equal to 39 by 13, that implies x equal to 3. Substituting x value in equation 1 for getting y value. 13 plus 2y equal to 9x. That implies 13 plus 2y equal to 9 into 3. That implies 13 plus 2y equal to 27. That implies 2y equal to 27 minus 13. That implies 2y equal to 14. That implies y equal to 14 by 2. And 14 gets cancelled in 2 table with number 7. That implies y equal to 7. Therefore x equal to 3 and y equal to 7. Example 2. 3x minus y equal to 23. X by 3 plus x by 4. Y by 4 equal to 4. 4x plus 3y by 12 equal to 4. That implies 4x plus 3y equal to 12 into 4. That implies 4x plus 3y equal to 48. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. That implies 3x minus y equal to 23 into whole 3, and 9x minus 3y equal to 69. That implies 9x minus 3y equal to 69. 4x plus 3y equal to 48. Minus 3y and plus 3y gets cancelled, and 9x plus 4x equal to 13x, and 69 plus 48 equal to 117. That implies x equal to 117 by 13. That implies x equal to 9. Substituting x value in equation 1 for getting y value. 3x minus y equal to 23. That implies 3 into 9 minus y equal to 23. 23 minus y equal to 23. 27 minus y equal to 23. 27 minus 23 equal to y. That implies y equal to 4. Therefore x equal to 9 and y equal to 4. Let's go into the method of cross multiplication. Example: 8x plus 5y equal to 9. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. That implies 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. That implies 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. A1 equal to 8, B1 equal to 5, C1 equal to minus 9, A2 equal to 3, and B2 equal to 2, and C2 equal to minus 4. X by B1 into C2 minus B2 into C1 equal to y by C1 into A2 minus C2 into A1 equal to 1 by A1 into B2 minus A2 into B1. For solving x, use the formula x by B1 into C2 minus B2 into C1 equal to 1 by A1 into B2 minus A2 into B1. That implies x by 5 into minus 4 minus 2 into minus 9 equal to 1 by 8 into 2 minus 3 into 5. That implies x by minus 20 plus 18 equal to minus 2. That implies 1 by 16 minus 15 equal to 1. That implies x equal to 1 into minus 2 by 1. That implies x equal to minus 2. For solving y, use the formula y by c1a2 minus c2 into a1 equal to 1 by a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. That implies y by minus 9 into 3 minus 4 into 8 equal to 1 by 8 into 2 minus 3 into 5. That implies y by minus 27 plus 32 equal to 5 equal to 1 by 16 minus 15 equal to 1. That implies y equal to 1 into 5 by 1. That implies y equal to 5. So thereby y equal to 5 and x equal to minus 2. Thank you. So thereby we completed this chapter. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.